Hi, this is Ann with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to add something, text or an object, to an already masked group of objects, if that makes sense. All right, let's get started. Okay, I've got my sunglasses graphic with a vector image of a landscape in the background. So if I hit Command Y or Control Y, you can kind of see what's going on. That entire landscape is back there, but we can only see the part that is in the sunglasses. So the way this is built is if you click and drag this part, this is where the mask is. The mask is not this black sunglasses area. So the way I was taught was to unmask this, then put this underneath the mask and remask everything. And we can, of course, do it that way. But I wanted to show you a couple other ways. First is the paste in front way. To do this, you can position the object where you want it to go. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. Then cut it. Then you can use your group selection tool, and that one is right under here. So let's say I want it to be in front of this group of trees. So I can click on this once with my group selection tool, click again, and one more time. And it looks like I've got the whole group now. Maybe once more. Yeah, that'll do it. And now I'll hit Command F or Control F. Now that it's inside the mask, I can bring it forward inside the mask. So I'll hit Command right bracket or Control right bracket. So that's the first way. You can put the object or text wherever you want, and then cut it and then paste in front once you've clicked inside the mask. The second way is the layers way. I'm going to go ahead and position this one to about where I want it to go. And then I'm going to bring up my layers panel. Window, layers. I'll expand it, and then I'm going to click on the little arrow. And I can see the clip group right here. I'm going to click that little arrow right next to it. And here I have the compound clipping path, or the group right here, and I want it to be inside this group. So I'm just going to click and drag this little blue box right here. That indicates that I have this selected. So I'm going to click and drag that down into that group. And now it's fallen inside the group and into the clipped group. And then the third way also uses the layers. So this is in case you want it to be exactly inside this group somewhere. Let's say we want it right in front of the mountains right here, but maybe not in front of these. So you can kind of see what's going to happen by looking at the layer itself. I'm going to open this mountains group. I can turn off and on the layers to see what they are. So I want it to be just below this little mountain that I just hid. So to do that, I'll just click and drag below that mountain, and I'll move it up and over a little bit, maybe rescale. So those are three ways that you can add something to a mask that might not have been too intuitive if you didn't already know how to do them. If you're running into any problems, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will try to help you. Alright, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just click on the subscribe button and the little bell next to it and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!